Are you looking for the best flat irons in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best flat irons that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Babyless Pro Straightening Iron. Are you looking for the best flat iron for black hair? Then look no further than the Babyless Pro Straightening Iron. It features ionic technology, which is excellently paired with the advantages of pure titanium-plated plates for the sleekest, smoothest styles ever. It produces natural ions that reduce frizz to give you a healthy, shiny hair. And with its stay cool right in housing, this Xtava Professional flat iron is able to resist the ultra-high heat and offer comfortable handling. Its ceramic heater produces instant heat up to 450°F for noticeable results. At number 4, Fibra Straight Flat Iron. The Fibra Straight Oscillating Flat Iron is the ultimate solution for those who want smooth, wavy or curly styling. It is safe for both fragile and delicate hair, as well as thick and coarse hair. The fact that this best flat iron for curly hair combines heat and vibration means it will effortlessly glide between plates, leaving behind smoother, straighter strands. Use it and see your hair remain healthy, shiny, and styled to perfection. The Fibra Straight Flat Iron is without doubt the best flat iron for back hair. At number 3, Conair Ceramic Flat Iron. Get shiny, smooth hairstyle within a cinch with this Xtava Professional Flat Iron. It has a 1-inch floating plate for optimum results and its tourmaline ceramic technology will reduce frizz and flyaways while protecting your hair from damage. The Conair's super smooth surface ensures fast glide and 89% straighter results. Like most quality ceramic professional flat irons, the Conair Ceramic Flat Iron features a true ceramic heater for instant heat up and recovery. It has 5 precision LED heat settings for outstanding performance and functionality. At number 2, Xtava Professional Flat Iron. Add shine and silkiness while protecting your hair cuticles with the Xtava Professional Flat Iron. It uses infrared heat technology and will help you lock natural moisture for a healthier, shinier hair. Recent studies indicate that regular heat damages the hair and can lead to frizz, but the infrared rays of this crock flat iron penetrates the innermost layer of your hair strands and heats them from inside out. The flat iron also features ceramic tourmaline plates that use ionic technology to reduce the hair's surface tension. It is arguably the best flat iron for thick hair. At number 1, BIRDA Hair Straightening Flat Iron. Professional flat irons are some of the best hair equipment you'll ever come across. They have all of their features channeled to make sure your hair look good always. The BIRDA Hair Straightening Flat Iron, for instance, is a Xtava Professional flat iron that features variable temperature settings from 248°F to 446°F. Well, these settings can be adjusted for thick to fragile hair for noticeable results. It is safe for all types of hair including keratin-treated hair. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.